This is my review of this GoPro Hero 2018 that I bought from eBay. This is a refurbished unit and it cost me about 100 US dollars. The unit I received is in fairly good condition. So far I am satisfied with this product. The camera came with a protective case, rechargeable battery inside and charging cable. And as you may know, it requires micro SD card for capturing photos and videos. Now, this model is not by any means latest in terms of features and capabilities. My requirements are relatively basic and I needed a reliable waterproof camera for capturing videos underwater. And so far, this has worked well for that purpose. Prior to using this camera, I had also tried one of those non-branded cameras available in Amazon. And for me, this GoPro is much better in terms of video quality and quality of the camera in general. The menu system and the options are relatively simple and easy to understand. The touchscreen works very well and it has good playback option in the camera itself, including speaker. It has video stabilization option that I usually turn on. The capability of the stabilization function seems to be limited compared to the newer models of GoPro, and if video stabilization is a high priority, then it may be worth considering the newer models of GoPro. But again, there are other factors such as cost and budget. This is a camera that is designed to be waterproof by itself without the use of outer protective case, but I do not use it underwater without the outer protective case. I have seen other reviews where some had water leak and the camera got damaged when they use it underwater without the protective case. And in my case, using the camera with the protective case has not caused any inconvenience for me. I was also able to successfully update the firmware of this Hero 2018 to the firmware of the Hero 5 Black. There are already many videos on YouTube about the procedure of updating the firmware, so I'm not going to talk about it in this video. The procedure was fairly straightforward and I did not have any problems during the update. So now I have the additional option to record videos in 4K resolution and many other advanced features if necessary. For me personally, the only resolution that I usually use is 1080p at 60 frames per second, and I don't need to modify advanced settings in the camera at this time. So if you're looking to buy action camera with limited budget and your needs are relatively basic, then I think this is still one of the good options to consider, especially compared to other low-cost non-branded action cameras on Amazon. I will leave you with some sample videos that I captured in 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second and with wide angle with stabilization turned on. So have a great day. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel.